Hi everyone, so this is a different kind of video for me today. I'm going to be doing a first impressions on a new foundation that Wet n Wild has released, and it's the Mega Cushion Foundation. And I've seen Tati from Glamlifeguru. She did a video showing a bunch of new Wet n Wild products, so I figured I'd go pick it up and give it a shot. My skin's been acting very bad this winter, very dry, which is not normal for me. So I'm gonna give this a try and see if it helps with my dry skin. Also, I'm using retinol. I'm on the second day of using it. So let's go ahead and check out what's inside. Okay, here's the compact. And I got it in the lightest shade they had available. Yes, on the bottom you can see the color. It looks really kind of yellow. So maybe that'll correct my redness. So I'm actually going to zoom in and show you my skin close up so you can see what's going on. And then we'll apply and see what happens. Also, I'm going to put on my primer real quick. Okay, so I am zoomed in on my face, and hopefully you can see that I have dark circles, redness, big pores. I have some breakouts starting. My skin's a mess from eating terribly. This compact does come with a sponge of some sort. I don't have a beauty blender, so I'm going to try the sponge and we'll see how it goes. And on the inside you have the little tab to get rid of the seal. So I'm going to pull that off. And holy cow, this is the lightest shade and it's really dark. So we'll see how this goes. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just jump on in and try this. And wish me luck. I have the mirror right in front of me so I can see what happens. And I don't want to get cat hair on this. For the primer, I used Smashbox. What's it called? Smashbox Photo Finish. I have a sample tube of it that I'm trying to go through. So I guess you just press the sponge into the product. Okay. There's what it looks like on the sponge. I don't know if you can see that. So you must just, oh wow. Actually, this doesn't look like it's too bad. There's half my face done, and I'm gonna get closer to the camera so you can see how it looks. Actually, the applicator worked okay. I don't know if you can see how it covered up my redness. This side is with it, and this side doesn't have it. And it actually is very cooling. I like it. I'm not too happy about the scent. It's kind of strong to me, but I'm gonna finish up the other side of my face and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I have both sides of my face done, and I have went ahead and filled in my eyebrows, and I just filled in the sparse areas. I have a scar on this side, but I also wanted to say that there's a scent. I wanted to tell you what the scent, it says natural coconut derivative. But it also has SPF, and I'm really sensitive to SPF. So if it has SPF, usually at the end of the night, I will have like breakouts. When I take off my makeup, there'll be new breakouts on my face. So later on that will be very interesting to update you all and to see if this broke me out really bad. But it's kind of tacky still, but that's what I would expect for a, I think this is a luminous foundation. So, but I wanted something like this, and hopefully it lasts. My skin's combo. So I'm gonna put on the rest of my makeup, and I will be right back to show you what it looks like with powder and everything else on it. So I'll be back real quick. Okay, so I am in my bathroom. I had to redo this part because I was really it was just really bad in my living room trying to show how the makeup looked. So this is what it looks like with all of my makeup on. If you want to know what I'm wearing, it's down in the description bar, and my cat just got in the light. But this is everything that's on my face. And I was gonna say, if you have migraines, this foundation may not be for you because I'm smelling a very strong floral scent still. Like every time I walk, I get a whiff of something floral, and it's the foundation. So if you're really sensitive to scents, I wouldn't recommend it. But so far I like it. I did set it with powder, and this is what it looks like. I'm gonna check in and probably about 3 or 4 hours. It's 9 o'clock now, so I'll be back at around 12 or 1, and I'll let you know how it's working. So I will see you all then. Hey everyone, so I just wanted to give an update on this foundation. I've had it on since 9 o'clock this morning, and it is almost 2 o'clock. So I've had it on for like 5 hours, and I took a nap, and it looks okay. I'm gonna get close to my face so you can see. But I think it's doing okay. I'll be back at the end of the night to update with my overall thoughts and how it wore for the rest of the day. So stay tuned for that. Hey everyone, sorry about the lighting, but it is 9:30ish, so I've had this foundation on for 12 hours, and I really am ready to take it off and get ready to exercise. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you how it looks right now, and I will give you my overall thoughts on it. So I'm gonna show you how it looks. I'd say my eyeshadow is creasing very badly, and it came off around here and on the sides of my chin. But overall I think it handled the day pretty well, and I like it. It's gonna be a good winter foundation. So oh, and I wanted to touch on one more thing. The floral scent did die down. That was really strong at first, and it did die down. But I do recommend this foundation. I don't know how long it's going to last in a compact because it is kind of like the cushion. But if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. I know at the beginning my living room looked messy. It really wasn't that messy. I thought I had everything moved, but I didn't. And I wasn't going to upload this video, but I'm going to. So thank you all for watching, and I will talk to you all soon.